And it's now time for the business day. Carnival bans in Jamaica have not been spared the impact of the trade war between the United States and China. The bans have been forced to absorb the costs, but it has triggered calls and discussions about the possibility of local artisan manufacturing costumes in the future. Details in this report.
Carnival in Jamaica is more than a celebration. It's seen as an economic powerhouse. And so, it's no surprise that when the United States imposed a 125% tariff on products from China, Carnival bans were impacted. Materials such as feathers and fabrics used in costume production are sourced from China. Kiwe McGann is director of GenXS.
Right now, all of us have gotten hit by these tariffs, especially our stuff coming in from China. We need to invest back in the people, because that's what it's going to do. And right now, the Carnival product is so competitive across the space that we do have to get our local design talent and our local seamstresses up to par to be able to compete.
Some Eastern Caribbean nations like Trinidad, Barbados and St. Lucia rely heavily on local artisans for costume creation. The latest development has triggered renewed calls for Jamaica to place more focus on local craftsmanship. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, while pointing to the recently launched Tourism Entertainment Academy, says his ministry is playing its part.
The Ministry of Education, I think that discussion is happening overall. As we are talking more and more with them, we talked about collaboration with the Jamaica Center for Tourism Innovation, which embraces all of that too, but more specific to the hotels and the workers at the hotel, and to go and to certify competent workers that are in the hotel system that are not certified. So it's part of the broader vision that we have for human capital empowerment. And the Academy is going to play a key role in that regard.
In 2024, the event generated 95.4 billion Jamaican dollars in economic output and supported over 115,000 jobs across various industries.
Increasing or upgrading our local talent to build out and get to that point is a necessary investment that I think we have to make, because we as Jamaica, we're susceptible to these external shocks.
Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.
All categories of fuel will decrease effective tomorrow. Each litre of 87 gasoline and 90 gasoline will sell for $3.06 less. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will both see $3.06 being cut from it. Kerosene will cost $3.06 less. The cost of propane will, however, decrease by 25 cents, while butane will lose 37 cents. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,303 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 26 points. 35 stocks advanced, including 138 Student Living, Caribbean Cream, MFS Capital Partners, Consolidated Bakeries, and Iron Rock Insurance. 48 stocks declined and included Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Edufocal, First Rock Real Estate Investments, and Cygnus Credit Investments 10% preference shares. 23 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $158.68. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.28. The pound is going for $206.93, while the euro is selling for an average $180.18. And that's it for the business day. Regional and international stories are next.